quick tip. If you're putting oil in a funnel into your container before you recycle it, what might happen is a big bubble might come up and kind of like get some of the oil all over the place. The reason for that is there's no air pressure inside. So here's a quick trick to do. Just grab a drill and just put a hole somewhere here. Let's do right there in the container. There we go. Okay, so good. As you can see, there's one little hole right there. And so when I start pouring the oil in, one, it will go down quicker because there's some air that goes in, so the oil will drain into here quicker, and then it won't splash up and bubble up and come up and, like, you know, get all over the place. Here's another example. If you take a water bottle and dump it, look at how long it takes. So now I'll grab another water bottle and put a hole in this. So now air can enter into it, and in a sense, this helps push the liquid out faster. You'll see the difference in speed right now. This is why the oil trick works. Really quite interesting, isn't it? Another fun fact, this is also why your home's drain waste pipes have an air vent pipe, so air can help push or drain the water out faster than if no air was in the pipes. Okay, once you finish putting oil in the container, then you can either put tape over it, or a nail with it, or preferably add a small amount of glue to really seal that hole up. Then you can take it to a store to recycle it. Anyway, let me know if you have any other helpful oil tips or tricks to share, or your experience on doing this oil drain trick in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribing is always appreciated. Most importantly, have a great day or night.